awakening is a profound journey linking your inner vitality with the natural world. Just as nature flows with energy, so too does the life force within you. To experience this connection, it's essential to approach the practice mindfully. Ancient traditions revered the natural elements, finding parallels between personal energy and the earth's rhythms. Techniques such as breathwork and meditation enable you to harmonize with these rhythms, grounding your energy while elevating it. Gradually awakening this potent energy can lead to extraordinary insights. Nature serves as a guide, reminding you to flow and be present, fostering